Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qala al-mu'allifu rahimahullahu ta'ala wa nafa'ana bihi wa bi'ulumihi fid dharaini amin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahi in the name of Allah ar-Rahmani, the entirely merciful, ar-Rahimi, the especially merciful. Babun na'ti, the characters explanation. So exactly in this opportunity we will be discussing about na'at, or in English you can call with characters, right? Na'at, the characters with his explanation, the characters with his classification, and etc. So let's check it out. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. An-na'tu tabi'un lil man'uti ila akhirih. What the meaning with na'at? An-na'tu tabi'un lil man'uti. Na'at, or the characters, tabi'un lil man'uti is the noun which is following the sentence before. This is actually short definition of na'at. Following in where, fi raf'ihi, in rafa position, wa nasbihi, and also following in nasab position, wa khafdihi, and also following to in jar position, wa ta'rifihi, and following to in ta'rif or ma'rifat. Ma'rifat can mean specific, right? Wa tankirihi, and also following in general positions. Tankir can means general, but ma'rifat or ta'rif can means specific. So tankir is exactly the opposite of ta'rif. Takulu, you say, ja'a zaitun al-akilu. You say, this is actually indicate to the showing the example of na'at structure, right? Exactly. Ja'a zaitun al-akilu. Ja'a has come. Who zaitun zait, al-akilu, who smart. So the meaning of the sentence is Zaid, who smart, has come. So exactly this is for the example for na'at in rofa condition. Zaitun al-akilu, right? Following the sentence before, like I said in the beginning. Waro'aitu zaitan al-akila, and also the secondly, this is actually the example for nasab positions. Waro'aitu, and I see, zaitan zaid, al-akila, whom smart. I see Zaid, whom smart. This is actually in nasab position, zaitan al-akila, but when you say zaitun, you have to say al-akilu. This is actually what is called by the following the word or the noun which is following in the sentence before. Wa marartu bi zaitin al-akili, and the third is marartu bi zaitin al-akili. Wa marartu, and I come across bi zaitin, meeting with Zaid, al-akili, whom smart. I come across and suddenly meeting with Zaid, who or whom smart. Wal ma'rifatu khamsatu asya'a. So this is actually in the classification or division of na'at. Oh, actually in the division of isim ma'rifat, exactly. Wal ma'rifatu khamsatu asya'a. Wal ma'rifatu, isim ma'rifat or specific noun, exactly should be divided by 5 parts, exactly. Khamsatu asya'a, or are 5 types or parts. What are they? The first is ismul mutmaru. The first is isim mutmar, or you can call with pronouns. Nahwu, in example, ana wa anta. Ana can means I am, wa anta can means you are. I am and you are, or in Arabic you can call with ana wa anta. Both of them exactly indicate to the pronoun atau kata ganti. Wal ismu, and the secondly from the fading from al-ma'rifat is wal ismu al-alamu, and the secondly is isim alam, or isim alam can means the name of everything. Nahwu, the example, zaitin wa makkata. Like the zaitin indicate to the name of someone, right? Exactly, just not only zaitun, but you can mention with the other names like Zaitun and Amrun, Bakrun, etc. Rahmat, etc. And wa Makkata and Makkah. Makkah exactly indicate to the name of city exactly. Exactly, you can also not only Makkah, but you can also spell with like Turen or Malang, Surabaya, Jakarta, etc. All of them exactly are the names of a city. Wal ismu, and the third is wal ismu al mubhamu. The third is isim mubham. Nahwu, in example, hadha wa hadhihi wa haula'i. Hadha can means this for singular, or for one thing, exactly for one thing. And wahadhihi also indicate to the singular, but more specifically just for woman. Wahaulai and this, also for indicate to the plural, right, plural noun exactly. Wal ismul ladzi fihi al alifu wal lamu nahwu il akhirih. Wal ismul ladzi, and the next is wal ismu, and the noun al ladzi that fihi, that still available in the, or in this isim or in this noun, what is still available, al alifu wal lamu. Exactly, wal ismul ladzi fihi al alifu wal lamu is, in other words, you can call with isim or the noun which is acceptable for receiving alif and lam. Nahwu, in example, ar-rojulu wal gulamu wama udifa ila wahidin ila akhirih. Nahwu, in example, ar-rojulu. The example is rojul. Ar-rojulu without alif and lam should be rojulun. But when you say ar-rojulu, this is indicate that you are the point one, specific one exactly. Ar-rojulu can means that man, but when you say rojulun, this is indicate to the all of men in the world, right? So ar-rojulu with addition of alif lam in the beginning of sentence indicate to specifically the words exactly. Wal gulamu and gulam, actually the explanation from this one is the same like the before. Wama and everything, udifa, which is based on, in where, ila wahidin, from the one, min hadhil arba'ati, from this four. Hadhil arba'ah including starting from isim domir, the first, and secondly isim alam, and then the third is isim mubham, and the fourth or the last is isim which is entering alif and lam, or isim which is acceptable for saving alif and lam. And then the next, wan nakiratu kullu ismin syai'in fi jinsihi ila akhirih. Wan nakiratu. So the meaning of nakiro. What the meaning of isim nakiro? An nakiratu kullu ismin syai'in. Exactly, an nakiro is every single noun. An nakiro can means every single noun. Syai'in, which has the general meaning, right? Which has the general meaning. Fi jinsihi, in his gender, exactly in his gender. La yakhtasu, will not be specific bihi, by the noun, what is will not be specific by that noun. Wahidun, the one of noun, exactly the one of noun. Tuna akhoro, not the others. Watakribuhu, and the short definition from this definition from the nakiro exactly kulluma solaha dukhulul alifi walami alaihi. The short definition from isim nakiro is kulluma solaha dukhulul alifi walami alaihi. This is actually every single noun or every single isim or every single noun which is acceptable for receiving alif and lam. Nahwu, in example, ar-rojulu wal gulamu. Exactly like the explanation before. Ar-rojulu without alif lam can be rojulun, but rojulun will be indicating to the all of the men in this world, but ar-rojulu with addition alif and lam just indicate to one person, or more specific can means the man or the son. Wal gulam, and the son or the servants. Babul atfi wallahu alam bisawab.